Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening your browser and signing into your Google account. Chrome or Edge gives the smoothest experience. Once done, go to Meet. Google, com or paste the meeting code. This avoids app installs and saves time. Allow camera and microphone access when the browser asks so others can see and hear you. Make sure to select the correct camera and mic from the preview dropdown. That prevents muted audio or a blank video when you finally join the meeting. Once in the meeting, use the bottom toolbar to mute or unmute and to toggle your camera. Shortcuts keep interruptions low. Present Now lets you share your entire screen, a specific window, or a Chrome tab. Choose a Chrome tab for optimized audio sharing. Open Captions for live transcription and the chat panel for links and notes so you don't interrupt. Make sure to pin or spotlight the presenter when needed. This helps focus during larger calls and reduces visual clutter for you. When you're finished, click the red phone icon to leave the meeting. Confirm if prompted and optionally click End Call for all if you're the host. If others can't hear or see you, check browser permissions and ensure the correct camera and mic are selected in Meet settings. If problems persist, restart the browser or clear its cache and then rejoin, the most common fix. For stubborn issues, try a different browser or reboot your PC to reset device drivers and connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.